Welcome to Natya Aerobics and Yoga with me, Madhusudan. Today in this video, we are going to do the next sequence in the Natya Aerobics collection of Dancercise moves. If you're just joining me today, then please do check out the other videos that I've posted on my channel. Please do subscribe to Natya Aerobics and Yoga with Prajyoti, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of videos that I've been uploading. Please do consult your physician and your doctor before you start any workout. If you feel dizzy or you feel breathless, then please stop. And please take care. Whatever you do, listen to your body. Okay, so let's get started with today's move. The first move would be where you're going to take your right leg to the left corner. Now I'm saying right, but I'm doing my left so that I mirror you. So just do your right when I say right. Don't get confused because I'm using my left. Okay, so we get started. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, stretch. So you're going to bend this knee, push your tailbone back, stretch the back of this leg. That's 4. So let's try that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you do is when you go down 7, you leave your foot down. Don't lift that foot up. So 7, 8, your leg stays where it is. It's only when you take this leg forward that you will tap this foot too. So let's do that again. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're going to swap to the other side. So bring your feet together and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it again. 1, 2. Stretch the back of your leg. 5, 6, keep your back straight, 7, 8. So basically you're bringing your chest towards your knee. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the movements for the legs. Now we will do the movements for our arms. You will take your right arm up while you take your left arm back. So you see, if I look at you and do this movement, it's my right arm going up, left arm going back and at bottom, and then you switch your arms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the movement for your arms. So let's match your arms and legs now. So you will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swap. Now you take your left arm up and left leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the movement. Let's try and do it a little faster. And then when you change sides, you add a little hop to change the leg. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try this again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you take this leg. So let's not add a hop. Let's just take it, make it easy. Take the back leg forward. So let's do the transition again. Go 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swap again. So you're taking that back leg. We'll take it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the movement. That's the first step. Okay. So now the second step, you're going to travel from side to side. So we will let's just do the travel with the leg. So you're going to tap your arms to the right. So when you do that, when you take your arms to the right, your left leg will go back. Yeah? So you would go from your shoulders, you will take your fingers up. Okay? But let's just do the legs first. So you will go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the leg that you have lifted, you're going to take back now. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again you will travel to your left. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. So that is the sequence. So let me break it down. Just do the first part and then do the second part as on its own, but then we will match the two. Okay? So let's just do the first part where you tap at the back. So we'll just do that and add the arms to that. Then we'll keep that on one side, do the second part, then we'll match the two movements. Okay? I know it's a little confusing, but it gets a little more challenging, I would say. But that is the beauty of dance. The choreography is such that it really gets you to work your brain as well. Okay? So let's start. 5. We'll take it really slowly. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the leg movements. Now every time you take your leg back, you are going to stretch your arms forward with your palms up. So, and when you bring it down, you just tap your shoulders with the tip of your fingers. Okay, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Irrespective of which side your leg goes out to the side, your arms are doing the same movement. Okay, so let's get started. So keep your palms here with your tip of the fingers on your shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's simple, isn't it? It's quite easy. That step is quite easy. So that is the first part of this sequence of steps. Okay? So we'll put it aside, keep it in your memory bank. Remember that step. Let's move on to the next bit. So you would go step, 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 lift. Step, 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 lift. Step, 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 lift, step, 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 lift, step, 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 lift, step, 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 lift. So that's the movement. Now if you want to get your quads to get a good workout, you will bend your knees and do this step. So you will go 1, 2, 3, lift, 1, 2, 3, lift, 1, 2, 3, lift, 1, 2, 3, lift. So that's if you want to get a good workout for your quads. But if you want to get a cardio workout, you will do it with a hop. So you'll go 1 hop, 1 lift, 1 hop, 1 lift, step, hop, step, lift, step, hop, step, lift. So it will be done with a hop. So depending on what you want to do, you can do it either way. They're both beneficial in their own way. Now for the arms, when you do that movement, you're going to make circular movement. Okay? So whenever you're traveling to your right, you will take your arms round and lift. One circle. So you take your arms to the left and lift. When you're going towards the left, your arms will go towards the right and lift. So 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. Clockwise, it's for me clockwise. For you, it's I don't know because I'm mirroring you. So it's 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. Okay? Just remember that when you go towards your right, your arm goes in the opposite direction. And when you go towards your left, your arm goes in the opposite direction to the right. So let's do it really slowly. So we will go 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. Make a circle. 3, lift. Step, 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 lift. Step, 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 lift. Step, 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 lift. Step, step, step. Now bend your knees and try it. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. Okay? Now let's add the previous step, the one that we put in our memory bank. Bring it out and we'll add those two steps together. Okay? So let's do it really slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. Now you take the left leg, right leg back. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, lift. 1, and 2, lift. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, lift. 1, and 2, lift. Okay? So if you want to, if you're finding going in the right direction both times and going in the left direction both times is confusing, you can switch. So I'll show you what I mean. So if you take your leg back, your left leg back, you go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and you can go in the opposite direction, towards the left. Yeah? 1, and 2, lift. 1, and 2, lift. But the thing that happens is that you have to drop this, you drop this leg. Again, 1. Same repeats, same step repeats. 3, and 4, the same step repeats. 1, and 2, lift. 1, and 2. Again, 1, and this is the easier version, and 2, and 1, and 2, lift, 1, and 2, lift, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and step, 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 lift, step, 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 lift, step, 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 and step, and step, and step, 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 lift, step, 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 lift. So that is the movement. You could do that, that's the easier one because you're doing the same sequence every time. You're not having to switch sides. You can try the one where you switch sides when you're a bit confident with this one. Play it by ear. See how you feel and you can do it. So let's just add the 2 steps together now. Let me just increase the volume of the music. Now, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, switch, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, do it once more, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and switch, and 1, and 2, and 3, we're going to change the step now. And tap, 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 and 1, 2, 3, lift, step, 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 lift, tap, 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 and step, 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 lift, step, 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 lift, tap, 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 and step, 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 lift, step, 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 lift, tap, 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 and step, 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 lift, step, 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 lift. Well done. Okay, so that's the next sequence. So please practice the previous sequences and keep adding them on as I keep posting new steps and new sequences. So take care. Have a fabulous day, and I shall see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and press on the bell icon so that you get notifications of new videos. Take care. Bye-bye.